Yes, sir. This Dimapur Railway Station has become a very controversial. Railway authorities are claiming Government is blaming the landowners, encroachers. Encroachers are blaming administration for issuing patas. Like that, this issue continues non-stop. Now, thing is, the railway, in the first place, it was a prolonged negligence and inaction by the NFR, North East Frontier Railway. Itu encroach kurigna railway property di construction jalan di kili awas ulan hai kami. Itu kita Nagaland post para people di olai si itu tadi itu reaction established. Itu akhir itu they were silent. What was the reason for not reacting? Itu भी एक ताबूदास. Government लगा negligence भी आसे, public लगा negligence भी आसे, unaware करना इन्हीं रखी दिया. बोले भी most important thing is railway authority कंपरा complain करो लगे तो ना. इनागा administration लोग इनागा किली चाहे से, इनागा चाहे से दे. itu rukawa lagi kili rukana itu kita. What was the reason? They have permitted illegal construction on the railway lines, and first place itu aja. No formal complaint was lodged. Itu aru itu kota puri ase. Itu last itu Nagaland Post 2nd February 2026 day Naga Council kan interview kursi railway tukar. Tu tadi Naga koi nasi. If the land was not handed over, this will mean that the fund will be diverted and utilized for North Frontier Railway projects elsewhere. Itu kiba chamala ekta asa. Itu railway tu expansion jabun na pare. Tagambi height di encroach kura namadan kura dia psiti kurisi. Itu oda diversity lab pada kuras. Itu bra. Itu ki kuro. What is the option left? Itu itu 614 illegal occupants as if families residing in encroached railway lanes. Maturities are non-nakas. On top of that, 30.283 hectares were encroached out of 53.806 hectares. So, that the key world-class development chamo. Itu ki buro goita. 1,100 illegal structures, residential houses, shops, hotels, religious buildings, in schools. Pura construction charges. So itu ami supplementary ka hutibo mujado. Itu okay, before that supplementary, there is only 3 options. Either we pay 132 crore for resettlement plan, or forceful eviction. Kile mane pata to already railway authority logot pata ase. Aro tadi itu already pata dia to itu illegal pata ho jaise no. Court TV jabe. Original pata to railway firm logot asilo na. Itu bara court ti kili tagi na American world class itu railway station to ahe guli to sabana bhi nai kida kono bo to aro railway itu official to goya ase itu elsewhere the shift karo na other state itu goya itu bara American judi state fund bara kurigna 132 crore to research settlement plan to digna itu development to start korbo na forceful itu eviction jabo na shift to new place agi di subui ma area wale bhi itu ki we idia railway daga do itu sukuri itu wale bhi extension korina panali bhi ki no lido ami poila bhi goise house ti tuli di kori dibe na fan to tusar sthiti jabara do itu option ase itu na 132 crore ase itu 4th road pe choribe ami koboli do 4 lane dibu ko ase mati ni dibu ko ase ke gone itu laga mata korai lagebo mati ni dili development bhi didibo ki mati ni dibu ko ase to itu laga padli to 132 crore to dekina railway to American itu banabo lage itu important hoy itu bara itu Paradak itu tinda tu ekta option kurili follow gana ginaga itu bara all suggestion dia supplementary question to nai. Thank you.
Sir, he has mentioned that it is a controversy issue, but I would like to suggest and I would like to remind him that it is not a controversial issue because the department as well as the government, the Northeast Frontier Railway are taking steps to rectify and assess the issues to be settled at the earliest possible. Sir, as he has clearly mentioned that the Government of India through Amrit Bharat Station Schemes has sanctioned the amount of 283 crore to develop the Dimapur Railway Station to a world-class railway station. And sir, the Dimapur Railway Station is the second largest, highest revenue earning station in the Northeast. Having said that, there are landowners within the railway occupied stations and there are structures. So the department as well as the government, the district administration have done this survey in the last December 2025. And department has written a letter to the Northeast Frontier Railway to the general manager, stating that the landowners are willing to part the land on the condition that the land cost or compensations are paid for the land as well as for the structure, double the amount. Twice the actual land cost. So the department has written a letter to the NFR. So also the landowners have written a letter to the Ministry of Railways, Government of India. So we are awaiting the response. Once the response is arrived, we will take up with the government. Thank you.
For all the developmental activities for land issue, development are delayed. In this situation also, our only Dimapur Railway Station, which had been selected to be made an international station, Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. But we could not make the land available. You are aware, sir, Dimapur Station, railway station was inaugurated in 1903. So that means it is a 123 years old station. And Nagaland State is only born in 1963. At those days, there was no Article 371A. So, railway, those lands were occupied and measured by their railway station. However, since over the years, railway also were keeping quiet and all the encroachment, and then our administrative officers have started regularizing and even issued patas. We should have a sitting with the railway and try to find an amicable settlement. There has to be some compensation, but not at double rate like how they are calling. And we must have the station there. This is our strong plea. And so I think we will take it up with railway also, so that the landowners get some compensation for land compensation also, or damage also. But we must have this station, because this is the only station, and though it's expanding to Kohima or elsewhere, it will go to Imphal, but those will be much smaller, and there will be a good station, which is all the coming in and going out. That is the station. So it is very important, and we should not fail that station to come. Thank you.